That was hard. That was really hard. Oh my god. I can't do it. Returning my laptop is the last step for quitting your job, I guess. I guess it's been quit, whether I return this thing or not. But once I turn this laptop in, I'll no longer know how to code. That's how it works. Oh, sweet. Okay. Do I need to put it on here? Yeah, okay. Ooh, and it's got the thingy. Yes! I just started. It's a new camera. Thank you, thank you. It feels weird, so I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah. Thank you. You too. One of the final steps of moving to China is selling your car. This is my car dealership hair. I'm gonna get there and be like, listen, I know that you know that you know that I know that I know that you know that you know that I know that you can do better. Fenty, give me strength. Fenty, grant me the wisdom as I talk shop to Mr. Honda Man. And this is my car. This definitely depreciated the resale value, but it's worth having my babies. I don't care. That's the price of being a doggy mom. Okay, after all that, I forgot my paperwork. Got it. Say habla español. Say habla, I need a deal. Gonna go over my paperwork. Yep, it's there. But 3 Honda dealerships later, or 2 Honda dealerships later, first one lowballed the out of me. Second one, they were playing games. Third one, just right. Second one, I had the meeting out of the palm of my hand. Is this on sister? Yes. I can show people back home. This is my home country. This is the village I come from. Cute. Step 3 for moving to China. Pack. Ew. How'd you know what we're doing? Packing. And I think this is a harder step than selling the car. And selling the car was hard. It wasn't. It's only hard when you mess up every step of the way. Other than that, it's pretty easy. But that's what I have so far, trying to just visually see like winter, spring, everything in between. So I'm gonna bring 2 suitcases and a backpack, my new camera backpack, which is super cute. But I like it because it's super small. It feels like a normal backpack. My last camera bag felt like a hiking backpack, and I hate hiking. Emma! Look at the tilty head. It's okay. Okay, excuse me. Whoa, she's back. She's back. So cute. You're so cute. This is everything I own left in this world. Ew. are you looking at? You match with the floor. Georgia, please. There she is. Sit your ass down. Wow. I want to show you at the last concert. I like the last concert. He's never allowed around. Yeah. I literally told Ryan.
That's me.
Solo. Hey, Jimmy.
Play it back.
Play it back. You said play it back. Excuse me. Neil Peart. Yeah, I thought it was John Bottom or something. Yeah, just back. She was like, hi, Q.
Yeah, that's what I said about you all.
We messed up. I want to redo this. You know what? I want to do this right. Mommy, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, thank you, Mom. I know, something you should know about Filipino moms. Sorry is not in their vocabulary. This is how you say sorry. This is how you say sorry. 2. This is how you say sorry. This is how you say sorry. No thanks. There's nothing? There's nothing. I want don't laugh at that. Why are you strong behind me? Okay. It's time to leave for the airport. And I'm getting sad. I've downloaded everything I can download. I've packed everything I can pack. I labeled everything I can label. And I guess now it's just time to go. I'm super excited. I am going towards the clouds. Believing my family's hitting me. Curious that we depart. I still go up to departing and then just.
So, Chad, when you get to your final destination, you're gonna call us?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm gonna call you at my layover. That's what I was saying. Tomorrow she's. What by the time I get home from?
I'd rather get it from the final destination.
Well, she'll be in China. Well, do both. Yeah, in her layover. She'll be.
Yeah, but she won't be where she's supposed to be.
I feel like the long flight. We'll call her both times, but it's for me. I want to make sure I call her as soon as she's off the long flight. I feel melancholy too. Yeah, Dad. Just so you know, I'm not feeling. Wow, Jared's going to China. I think we can all mutually say we're happy and we're sad at the same time. Yeah. Ugh, where are all these people going? They're going to Xiamen with me. Apparently. LAX. If you can make it there, you'll make it. Anywhere, it's LAX. LAX. That's how it goes, right? I could.
New York, New York. So that's the original one.
I'm just being silly.
Oh.
Daddy, you got your hood on looking like you're melancholy. What? No. Were you cold?
I was.
Oh. I only downloaded 3 episodes of the next and no Attack on Titan. Amateur. We can do war. Oh, thank you. I don't know where to park though. I'm a little. Oh, okay. Look at this trail. Nothing. Let's go inside. Okay. Should I ask that guy? I know, I was looking at that one. None of these are it. I thought it was touchscreen. I saw Xiamen though. Huh.
A61.
Well, I mean, but no, Terminal B.
This is Terminal B and there's Terminal A. I said, you're in Terminal A.
Okay. Oh my god. Well, I guess I'll do one at a time.
And
You guys can go with me to security?
Yeah.
there's security.
I don't know if we can go up there with you. I believe this is the end of the road. Hi, Dad.
Be careful of who you have when you're dealing with.
I'll see you soon.
And don't forget to call when you get there to
I'll call
the
both.
school. When you get
Oh,
over
yeah,
there.
yeah. And Lonnie will be home, so I'll text her updates as I'm going.
I want to hear your voice.
Okay. Okay.
And if you have a problem or if you want to come home, you know you can come home
Of
anytime.
course, of course. If I hate it, I'll just come back.
Yeah.
He's like, please hate it.
No, I don't mean that.
But I know I can always come home and I have a great home and family. Okay, thanks for walking me, guys. Love you. That was hard. That was really hard. I'm here. I'm here. Yes, kind of. Hello. Is it? 可以吗？
要用张还是拍摄呢？
才是。
要拍摄是吗
This one?
Oh yeah.
Take photo?
Oh no, I can turn it off. Oh no, sorry. I just wanna. Oh cute. Oh, this is very cute. Oh my god. Pretty. Be careful by the pool. Okay, I went to get food at what I thought was Wudian Ba. And I thought it was like ba, like a particle word at the end of the sentence. Doesn't matter. Wudian Ban. which means 5:30, not 5. So I went down there half an hour early. Okay, now I gotta kill 20 more minutes. Oh my god. I can't do it. I'm so hungry.
À? Iya jatuh. Depan giocano con la mano. Umida.
Oh my god. Four beds for some reason.